Hello, my name is Sones and I am here to teach you how to build a very beautiful header and make it sticky with Elementor. So, as you can see this page right now, I built this page just now and I want to add a header to it. So you follow me along, you can see the page. So there is nothing like header or footer on it yet. So we are going to build a header and make it sticky. Okay, now we'll go straight to our WordPress. This is our WordPress dashboard. So if you did not know how to build a website, I advise you go to watch my other videos before you come back here and then watch this video because it will help you. This will come second. Okay, now that we are good to go, let's go straight up. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is to install our plugins. We will need two plugins. One is the Elementor header and footer, and the second one is the sticky header for Elementor. So we'll go straight to our plugins and start doing the installation. Go to new, then we'll add our Elementor header to it. Okay, we hit install and hit activate. Okay, this is good news. We now have a header and footer builder. Okay, we're going to go to new again and then install our second plugin. Okay, now sticky. We hit install. This is it. Okay, we hit activate. Okay, now that we have our two plugins installed, we head straight to appearance and head straight to menu and create our menus. The second step, okay, our menu name will be home. Okay, we hit create. Okay, how do we want this to be? We'll check this automatically add new top level page to this menu, and we'll check it to be primary too. We want this our menu to be primary menu. So we'll go to our left pane and select all of these pages and click on add. Then we'll come back here and rearrange. I want this home to be first. Okay, now we want our login to move down. Okay, we want our contact us to be below or beside about us. So we are good to go, and when we are done, we hit save. Okay, now go back to our dashboard. Okay, now we go to our header and footer. The third step. Now you can see here is plain and nothing is here. So we'll go straight to our new, and then we'll create a header, and then we'll come down straight and select the template type, all our pages rather, and then we are done. Here we don't need to do anything. Come to the right side and select Elementor full width, and we'll select transparency and enable it. Okay, now we are done. Publish. Okay, now by the time we go back to the dashboard and go back to our header and footer, now have our header. Now let's edit and open with Elementor Okay, now we have our editor here. You can see nothing is on here. I'm going to do everything from scratch. Okay, now select plus button. Remember, we're going to have a logo, we are going to have a menu, then we are going to have a search icon. Okay, so we'll select 3 columns, and then we'll go straight to our tools, minimize this, minimize this, minimize this. Then we'll have our Elementor header and footer builder. This is where we're going to pick everything that we're going to do. Okay, now first of all, we'll have our logo. We'll drop that. We'll enable custom image. Then we'll go straight to select our logo. We'll hit select. Then we'll have our logo there. Then the second one is the menu. Okay, now we'll go back to our tools. Hit our navigation menu and we'll drop that. Okay, now the third one is the icon, search icon. Okay, select icon instead of input. Okay, now this is our menu. Then we're going to adjust accordingly. Adjust accordingly. Okay, then we'll go to vertical align and then select middle to force them to be aligned. Okay, then now that we are done, let's reduce our logo small. Okay, now let's start editing now. Okay, select this. We want this our menu to shift to the right. Okay, and then we want them to display horizontally. Okay, now let's select hamburger for it. We want a beautiful one and a fancy one, so type menus there and select this. Okay, we now have this. Now let's go straight to style. First of all, I want to reduce the fonts to 18 and the width to 500. It's fine, we are good to go. Now we want the text to be white, but let's hold on for now. Okay, now we are done with our menu. Let's update. Refresh. Okay, this is our menu. You can see this is our menu. So the next thing we are going to do is to make it transparent and then change our font color. On style, menu. Okay, the text color will be white. We need no background. No. Okay, the drop down, we have no drop down for now. But let all the text color be white. Okay, I'll leave this like this, leave this like this. Okay, and then close the menu trigger and close icon, select it, and then I want it to be white. We need no background at all. Leave the other one default. Okay, now go to the search style. We want the width of the input to be 500. Then we want the text to be 18 too. Okay, and the boldness, we are good with 400. Okay, the background color will be white. Then we want to add a border to it, solid. We want the border to be a darker. Okay, and then we want it to be bolder. Okay, now, and the radius, I want to take it to 25. Okay, then the icon, we want it to display white, and the hover, we want it to be a little bit of red. Okay, icon size, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, right, let's update. And then refresh. Okay, we change the font color to the white. That is why it's showing like this. So we are going to make this, the next step we're going to do, we're going to make it sticky. Okay, then how do we do that? Select this, and then we'll go to advanced, and we go to sticky header effects. We enable it. We want it to display like that on tablets, on mobile, and on desktop. And then that is the scrolling distance. By the time I scroll 250 meters, let this take effect. That is what that means. And then we want our header to be transparent. We want a bottom border, and the color will be blue. Blue. Okay, now the width of the border, we're done with 2, and then we want it to shrink by 70%, and the logo, same thing, and then we are good to go. Yes, then we'll update, then we'll go to our page and we'll refresh. Okay, you can see that our page is now transparent. Okay, you can see when we scroll, you can see what's happening here. So if I hover, it's doing nothing. So we'll add a hover effect to it, and then on our set, let's see, you can see how beautiful it is. You can see, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, let's go back to our header. Make this more transparent. Okay, and then our menu items. Menu items. These are the menu items on hover. On hover, we want this color to display. Let's reduce it small. Okay, right? And then we'll add a link hover effect to it, and then we'll choose on a line, so that by the time we hover, it will draw a line under it. See? Okay, now what should be the color? Choose the color closer to. You can see. Then let's add a dimension to it. Grow. Yeah, it's beautiful. Then on active, that is when you click on it, active will show you the page or indicate the page you are currently in. Text color, can I use this? Okay, no background, no link over effect. Okay, we update and go back to our page, refresh. Okay, you can see we are currently on home. As I showing this color, this is what we just set up. Okay, then let's move and see. You can see, so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is to check the responsiveness of the menu, as if it's compatible with mobile, tablet, and desktop. Okay, go back to our header. Okay, now we click on responsive mode. Select our tablet, is good. Mobile, you can see, not aligning. Okay, now we'll select this column and use type 20. This will be 60. And this will be 20. Okay, see? Update. Okay, the hamburger is not showing right now, so we'll check it to know why it's not showing. The menu is white, so we'll select another color, right. Okay, you can see it's now responsive. It's now responsive. Okay, we'll refresh. So much love this. So much love the header. You can see it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So we'll press F12 to check the responsiveness. Okay, you can see. And reduce the width of this though. I have no any sub menu. Okay. Okay, and this logo is naturally black. So you can change it to any logo you want. You understand? But this will be the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.